Welcome to InsectX, Information Security Technologies training on penetration testing with Metasploit. In the previous video, we have covered the basic installation of Nessus vulnerability scanner on the Kali Linux machine. Now, in this video, we will start using the Nessus, and after that, we will scan the remote target machine for analyzing the vulnerabilities. And after that, we will generate the report. So let's do this. To do this, you need to open up your VMware machine or else your Oracle VirtualBox. First of all, you need to start the Nessus service. To do that, you need to type service Nessus start, which will start the Nessus service. To access the Nessus, you need to open up your Icefield browser, the default one, which is available in the Kali Linux. Within the address bar, you need to type localhost with HTTPS and the port number. It takes few seconds for initializing and for loading the Nessus homepage. So this is the page of the Nessus. So during the installation, I have given the default credentials as username as root and the password is TOOR. Click on sign in. Close this. So this is the portal page and your account here. Okay. Now first thing what you need to do is you need to create the policies. Which type of Nessus scan you want to perform. Click on new policy, which will give you the list of policy wizards. So let me check advanced policy for sample. Let it be sample and the description is sample test. Let me go to advanced, log, scan details to the server and even other options also. Click on save. Now click on scans and click on new scan. What we will do is we will keep the name as Metasploitable 2 scanning for on Metasploitable 2. So policy sample, it selects the default and here the targets. If you want to give the complete range, you can give the subnet. If you want to give the domain name, you can give that, or else if you want to upload the target, you can do it here. Okay, you can add the file and you can start uploading. So instead of that, what I'll try to do here is I will start the Metasploitable 2 operating system. Okay, hope it's working fine. Close this. It is getting booting up. Log into the Metasploitable 2. MSF admin. If you type ifconfig, it gives you the IP address. So the IP here is 192.168.159.138. Give the IP here 192.168.159.138. Click on launch. So now you can see here status is running. Let's wait for some time. Now scan has been completed. Let us open up this scan. So it has listed out the vulnerabilities. Now what we will do is we shall export this into some file. Let it be CSV. Let me save it as Metasploitable 2, or else if you want to save it into some other format means you can use that, maybe into the Nessus means just click on Nessus. It will save it into this particular file format. Coming to the vulnerabilities, if you want to check out what are the vulnerabilities, just click on the vulnerability tab, which will list out the vulnerabilities: critical, related, high risk vulnerabilities, medium, low,